The Anthurium jungle bush is an incredibly stunning yet easy care houseplant to own. With these guys, it's important to give them bright, indirect light, however they can also handle medium light conditions. With bright, indirect light, you are providing this plant the perfect environment to bloom and to grow really large, big green leaves. It is important to give it fertilizer in the growing season, and this will help encourage your plant to grow really large and thrive. In terms of watering, these guys aren't too picky. You can let it dry out about 50% of the way, but I wouldn't suggest letting it dry out completely. Anthuriums are part of a large and diverse family. However, if you're looking for one with large green leaves, I'd highly recommend you add this guy to your collection.